So if you are a content creator, this video is for you, and that's because I want to share 10 things you must not do if you are a creator. And I'm sharing it out of so many experiences that I've had creating content on Facebook and on YouTube, and this is me sharing one of the secrets that have stopped many content creators from getting the kind of result they desire. If you're seeing my YouTube video for the very first time, you're welcome. My name is Kingsley Nemeka. Yes, I am called Sir Kingsley, and that's why you're seeing it boldly written as my YouTube handle. I help you with information on how to make money online and also learn some digital skills. If this is what you want to learn more about, then click this link because more information is coming every week for you on how to better your skills as a digital creator or someone who's aspiring to start using the internet to make money. So today we'll be discussing 10 things you should avoid if you are a content creator, because these 10 things, if you do any of them consistently, you will likely lose your values or your potentials, or you lose your channel. I'm going to be honest with you so that you save yourself a lot of stress. Some of them I know them personally because out of experience, yes, and some of them I got them from research, and sharing it with you gives me so much joy. So make sure you like this video. That's the only way you support me, and also subscribe and share this video link to your friend on WhatsApp or anywhere you can reach them. Thank you. Shall we go? Number 10, for any reason at all, never be offensive. You are creating something that is going to last the test of time. If you check very well, I've been creating content for a long time, though sometimes I stopped, but right now I'm back. And for any reason, if you're a content creator, don't sound offensive, don't sound rude, don't use harsh words on your content, because it may cost you your channel or any page at all that you're making use of, because there are community guidelines, and if you continue to use abusive word and offensive word, your channel may be the only thing at risk. Do you get it? Number 9, fact check what you're putting out online. Don't just put out things on the internet because you are interested in getting views and getting rating. No, fact check them. Make sure what you're giving people is something that if they go out of your YouTube channel, they can confirm it another place. If they go out of your Facebook page, they can confirm it another place. So fact check it. Make sure your facts are checked. Don't just put out things because you are a creator. No, fact check these things you're about to share with people, because it may go viral, it may reach millions of people. Imagine lying to millions of people. It won't be nice, especially if they find out and get angry and report your page. That's how you lose it. So no matter what happens, fact check what you are telling people. Are we good on that? Yes. Number 8, stop using clickbait. What we call clickbait is like saying what will not happen in your video. Imagine writing on your thumbnails how to make 5 million naira a day, and then we'll come to the video to watch it, and nothing in the video speaks about how to make 5 million naira. It's clickbait. It's not good for you. It's not good. Please avoid it by every means, because it's not going to help you grow. When people consistently notice that you're using clickbait, they will automatically stop viewing your videos and your channel. And one thing is that if algorithm notices it, it will also restrict some of your videos from getting the kind of views it should be racking. Do you get that? Yes. So who can remind me the 3 we have spoken of? Number 10 was what? Number 9 was what? Number 8 was what? I believe you got them. Well, go to the comment right now and drop a comment for me why you like this video, and share it to your friends, especially those ones who are aspiring to be content creators, as we move to number 7. Number 7, don't just post your video and expecting miracles to happen. No, there's something called optimized keyword. Use some optimized keyword. Like right now that I'm making this video on content creation, I'm going to use some keywords that are related to content creation and use it to optimize my video, meaning that when people search on the search bar, my video may be suggested. Maybe not now, maybe in years to come. That's what happened. The first time I got 10,000 views on the video, it was after 1 year that the video just picked up. So you never can tell when the video can pick up, especially if you're a small creator, you're just trying to grow your page. You never can tell when a video can pick up. So that is it. Make sure you optimize your videos. Don't just post it hoping for YouTube to just like it. And again, make sure you give your video video powerful titles. That is how also to optimize them. You get it? Yeah, let's move to number 6. Number 6, do not ignore audience feedback. Yes, very important. Anything I'm not doing correctly in this YouTube channel, you can tell me in the comments and I will make sure to attend to them. Some people have said I have subscribed and then I reacted to all of them. It's a way of engaging with my audience, because my audience are the most important people. They are the one watching my videos and they're the one sharing it and they're the one liking it. So if you are a content creator, do not ignore the feedback coming from your audience, because once they give you those feedback, you'll be able to improve on it. Don't see it as a fight or as them hating on you, but something you can work on to improve. So you tell me, is there anything you want me to know or anything you can help me with to better improve my video and quality? Please tell me in the comments. I'll be happy to take them. So number 5, make sure you are authentic. One of the things that make people to lose audience is when they are not authentic. See, even as a content creator, I'm telling you the truth. You can be transparent, you can be authentic. People can know that you're telling the truth once they see your content. People can know that they can verify what you're saying. So be authentic, be transparent with your content. Number 4, consistent posting. This one dealt with me a long time ago. I stopped posting because I got busy offline, and then when I came back, I can't even rack up to 100 views. It's a lot, but right now we're back. I want you to please support me by sharing my videos so that a lot of people can actually view it. Thank you very much for doing that for me. So yes, as a content creator, one of the things that you must never do is to stop posting. Anytime you stop posting, anytime you stop being consistent, the algorithm stops to recognize you. So continue to post. Even the big creators post on a daily. Mr. Beast is one of the biggest content creators I have known on YouTube, and that dude posts literally every day. Yeah, so please, let's go ahead and always post. The secret is to consistently post, so make sure you are always posting. Now going to number 3, make sure you don't always promote content. Yes, be sure of your promotional content and your value added content. Post more value added content more than you post promotional content. People are not willing to be sold out at all times, but people can relax on your channel to learn a video that is teaching them on how to make money, on how to learn the skills and all that. But each time you come, you are promoting something, you are trying to sell something to them, they will get tired and stop viewing. Do you understand? Don't post consistently promotional content, because at the end of the day, you are making your audience get bored. So always mind how much promotional content you post on your pages. Do you get that? Yes. And so before we dive into the remaining 2, please like this video right now. I'm begging you. That's the only thing you give me in return for making this powerful video for you. And also subscribe. I'm building a community of people. I just started building it. People who can learn from me. All you have to do to join us is to click the link in the description and then join our WhatsApp group. There we can drop you links of different things you can learn and master on your own. Yes, you're welcome. So number 2, avoid copying people's content. Yes, it is going to reduce your value. Avoid plagiarizing your content, because imagine copying people's content and you don't even give them credit, you just post it on your page. By the time you get the kind of views you want, these people that own the video will come for you. So if you want to copy somebody's style of content that is working for them, you can continue giving the person credit. The person will actually calm down and not do anything. But as long as you're doing it as if you are the originator of it, they are going to call for you. So when you copy people's content, give them credit for that. Number 1, which is the last one, is avoid posting low quality content. If you post low quality content consistently, you may not be able to get the chances of going viral, like people liking it and all that. So thank you very much for watching. I believe you've learned something. I want you to go to the comments. Which number stood out for you? Which one did you learn new? And what kind of video would you want me to make for you next? Ask me a question, and if your question is what I have not made a video on before, I am going to make a video and tag you and make sure you get to see the video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting me, and thank you for sharing this video. I'm so grateful you are are doing that for me. I know it wouldn't take you anything to just copy the link of this video, post on your WhatsApp, or share with your friends, or even share in your group that people can watch it and learn from it. Alright, I'm making you more videos, and that's a promise, and I want you to subscribe so that you don't miss it. My name is Kingsley Emeka, called Sir Kingsley, and just like I say to my students, I'm going to say to you, chase knowledge first. Thank you for watching.